Friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm going to show you these beautiful flowers, how to make these flowers. Let's start. I'm going to use this wool with 6 number crochet, which is 3.5 mm. Start to make a foundation chain. You can start with a slip knot or like this also. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now join this with our first chain with a slip chain. Now make single crochet in this space and make 3 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Now make 1 single crochet and again make 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Now 1 single crochet, now 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now 1 single crochet. Now from this first single crochet like this. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 and make from here a slip knot. Now again 1, 2, 3. In the middle of the petal from the back side you can make slip knot or you can make also a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again again 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This is our first, and we will make a single crochet from here. Like this. Now we have 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now into the first space we will make 1 single crochet and 5 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 single crochet in the same space. This is our first leaf. Now from the second space, first single crochet and after this 5 double crochet in the same space for our second petal. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 1 single crochet in the same space. Now this is our second petal. In the third space make first single crochet and 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and in the last, 1 single crochet in the same space. We will do the same for our fourth petal. 1 single crochet and 5 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now, from the first of this petal, first single crochet from the back side, I'll make slip knot, slip chain, or you can make a single crochet also, no problem. Now make 4 chains, 3 and 4, and make a slip chain like this. Make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4, and in the middle of this petal make a single crochet or slip chain. 2 3 4 4 chains in the middle of this petal. Make single crochet, 1 2 3 4 in the middle of this petal. Make a slip chain or a single crochet. 1 2 3 4, and where this started, like this. A single crochet. Now this chain should be 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now in the first space, first single crochet. Now we will make 7 double crochet in the same space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and last, 1 single crochet in the same space. This is our first big petal. We will do the same for single crochet, 7 double crochet, and 7, and last, 1 single crochet. We will do the same in every space. You can increase these double crochets, and you can increase also these chain, or decrease also. You can make 3 chains, 4 and 5 according to your wool's thickness, or according to your choice. Last, a single crochet in the same space. Now in last chain 1, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to like this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you. Keep watching.